Hello. Good evening. Good morning to some of you. Good night to some of us. How are you doing? Okay. Okay, wow. You're on time. Thanks for being on time. Fantastic to have you. I'm going to unmute you so we say hello. Wait. There is chat as well. Unmuting you.
Hey, hi.
What's Neil's picture today?
Yes, everyone is asking what's Neil's picture today. Neil, why don't you put it in the chat? I can see a Ruth Rubin archive collection there. Yeah, that's a background picture from the Ruth Rubin archive website, which is very relevant. I know we have Ася Fruman on the show today, all the way from. Are you in Kiev or in Kharkov, Ася? Now, let's see. I'm unmuting you. Say, where are you?
I'm in Kharkov.
In Kharkov. So that's Kharkov in eastern Ukraine. So we can now put Ukraine on the list as a participant. Great. So you know that Lorin Sklamberg, our hopefully guest for the show today, will be joining us later. Right now, he is doing a show, an online appearance for the YIVO Institute of Jewish Research right now. So he promised to be with us in about 15 to 20 minutes. And we're going straight into the tune. One little warm-up exercise. We sit upright, as upright as you can be, and you roll your shoulders, you can stretch a bit. Stretch, you know, it's fantastic to see you doing that. If you have gallery view, it's great to see everyone doing that. So we breathe into our kishkas, into our guts, and we're going to sing our D as we usually do. And I'm going to unmute us all to make that mess again, a mess of a sound. Let's go. Great. I have muted you all because this was just a wonderful sea of waves of sounds. But let's get into our song. Now, this is a nice, cute melody. And the first thing we do is we run through the melody with no text as a la la la. We might go through a couple of verses today. That would be fantastic. So let's see that easy tune. I'm going to share the music with you straight away because it has a bit of a twist rhythmically. So let's see a few faces here on my side. And here is the music. Now, as often, I warn you, this is not the key we're going to sing it in. Yeah? Can you all see the file? Can you see the music? Yeah? Okay, great. So here it goes, like that. Lie, die, 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 die. Lie, die, 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 die. Lie, da, die, 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 die. Lie, die, 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 da, die, How is that? Yeah, it's a lovely little tune, and to me it sounds a bit Slavic, you know, which is not unusual for Yiddish tunes. Now we'll go through the tune together, and I know that my Yiddish choirs, give me a wave, Yiddish choir people, give me a wave, the London Yiddish choir, the Brighton and Hove Yiddish choir, you know that song, right? I hope you don't mind singing it again. It's a lovely little gem. So back to our music, and we'll do a couple of lines at a time. So I sing 2 lines, no text, and you follow me. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. Let's do that. 1, 2, and die, 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 die. Sorry. I'm hearing someone really loud. So I have to mute everyone. I'm hearing someone louder than myself. Yep, sorry about that. Back to our music. Yeah, be muted when you join us later, okay? Make sure your microphone is switched off. Okay, one more time, let's go. Die, 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 die. I die, die. I die, 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 die. Okay, let's go again. Die, 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 die. I die, die. I die, 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 die. I'm singing the next phrase. I die, 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 die. Okay, so I'm still hearing someone. Let's see who that is. Do you know who that is? Someone is not switched off, and that makes a little bit of a mess. Mute. Yes, I think I found you. I found the spy. I found the KGB person. Right. And again, I'm going from the second line, bar 5. Da 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 da. Now there is a triplet there. I'm kind of ignoring this triplet because in different verses we will have different rhythms. So let me sing it again. So that's your middle line. Listen. I die, I die, 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 die. Let's sing that bit from bar 5. And I die, 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 I die, die, I die, die, I die, die. There is a little descending note there at the end. Yeah, a little sigh. Let's go from the very beginning and bring the two phrases. 1, 2, and die, 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 die. I die, die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 I die, die. I die, 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 I die, die. Listen, I die, 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 I die, 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 I die, die. Let's sing this final phrase. This is your third line of music. Bar 9. Okay, 1, 2, and. One more time. We're bringing the whole thing together all the way from the beginning. Okay? Everyone happy? Ish? Yes? Okay, let's do the whole tune. Die, 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 die. I die, die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 I die, die, I die, I die, die, I die, I'm going to bring your faces back on the screen. Let's see how we're getting on. I'm muting you for a second.
Okay.
Yeah,
Lovely. Nice.
Great.
beautiful tune, right? Beautiful tune. Let's look at the text. Oh, it's lovely. It's so pure. It's so naive, and it's so beautiful. It's true love. My heart, Mayn Harts, weint in mir. My heart weint in mir, longs in me. What's weint? Weint is like, it says cries. Als ich darf suchen, als ich sich scheiden ist mit dir, because now I have to part with you. Meine Gedanken hin her. Now, Yiddish speakers, we have a few experts here. How would you translate hin her? There is a little note on top of this text of the file where I copied something from some online comments from Yiddishists. Let's see what our Yiddishists say here. Ahinaher. Let's see. Stop share. Let's see what's in the chat. Here and there, my thoughts are rushing to and from. Yeah, back and forth, right? My thoughts are going all over the place, yeah? My thoughts, it's hard for me to leave you, right? So we're going to read through the text together. In the rhythm of the song, you can do it with me or you can just follow me. I'll be doing each line twice. Oh, by the way, we see underlined words here or syllables. The red underlined syllable means it's emphasized. Mayn Harts, weint in mir. Let's go. Mayn Harts, weint in mir. Listen. Az darf sich scheiden jetzt mit dir. Let's go together. Az darf sich scheiden jetzt mit dir. Those who haven't come across Yiddish before, we have syllables without a vowel. So scheiden, will be a syllable, okay? The next line. Meine Gedanken hinnaher. Let's go together. Meine Gedanken hinnaher. Mit dir zu scheiden ist mir schwer. Let's go. Mit dir zu scheiden ist mir schwer. Let's repeat the last two lines. Meine Gedanken hinnaher, mit dir zu scheiden ist mir schwer. Yeah, how is that? I'm unmuting you for a minute.
Okay, very good promotion.
Some interesting sounds there, like a kid shout. I don't know. So, oh, I see Lorin is here. Lorin, it would be nice to see you. Would be nice to see your picture at some point. Otherwise, how are you going to sing to us? Let me unmute you if you want to say something. Hello, are you there? Oh, yes. Hello. Welcome to the show, Lorin. You can speak. I can't hear you. Can you guys hear Lorin?
No.
Right.
No.
Can you say something again? Lorin, speak. No.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now somebody else was on, so I'll switch everyone off now. I'm muting everyone. Lorin, we've just started, we've just gone through the whole tune. So we'll sing tune and text together, so you know where we are, and then maybe you'll sing the song to us. How about that? I don't know which instrument you're going to have today.
Oh well, I can play an instrument. I can play something.
You can play an instrument. Okay. Now, I've muted everyone. Now we're going back to our sheet music, and we're going to read, to sing the whole verse together with text, okay? Let's see how that goes. D minor, in case you don't know. That's where we are. Let's go. Mayn Harts, weint in mir, als darf sich scheiden jetzt mit dir. Meine Gedanken hinnaher, mit dir zu scheiden ist mir schwer. Meine Gedanken hinnaher, mit dir zu scheiden ist mir schwer. How is that? All right, I'm unmuting everyone. Give you eyes and eyes now.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
good.
Lovely. Lovely.
Yeah.
We've lost that Lorin.
Oh, what was that about, Lorin? Lorin, I'm going to bring you.
Yes, very nice.
I'm muting everyone because I'm hearing lots of different sounds. A mess, a mess, a mess. Now, we will have a chance to sing it again together, but let me find Lorin. I have 3 pages of people. Woo. And by the way, Lorin, if you can see, flip through people, you can see that one of us, Neil, has a picture of Ruth Rubin archive as his background, which is quite cute, I think. So where are you? Would you be ready to sing for us now? I'm not finding you. Oh, yes. Are you here? Unmute audio. Lorin, where are you? There's no picture. All right, I'm going to, oh, yeah, he's gone. Let's sing it one more time, okay? I don't know where he's gone. I'm muting him for a second. I'm leaving. Yeah, I don't know. Let's sing it one more time, see where he's gone, then he'll sing it to us. I actually learned this song from him, so he'd be better singing it to us. Let's go one more time. One more time. Mein Herz, weint in mir, als darf sich scheiden ist mit dir. Meine Gedanken nachher, mit dir zu scheiden, ist mir schwer. Meine Gedanken nachher, mit dir zu scheiden, ist mir schwer. Yes, I'm unmuting you. Yes, I'm
We lost Lorin.
No, I've completely lost Lorin here on the screen. I don't know what that means. He left us because he hated us, or maybe he's switching from his computer to something else. Whilst he's finding us again, let's look at our second verse, shall we? Let's look at our second verse. Right, okay. Now, if he reappears, because I'm sharing my text with you, I don't know how many of you see everyone. If he reappears, start waving like crazy. Okay, if you can see Lorin Sklamberg online, you know, he's in New York all the way there. Now, second verse, we will be going on the beat here. Wo forst du meinst Leben? Okay, let's go together. Wo forst du meinst Leben? Wo forst du von mir weg? Let's go. Wo forst du von mir weg? Okay, next one. Betten, bet ich dir meines Leben. I've lost a few faces. Oh no, we're back. Okay.
Verse, Polina. You skipped to the third verse.
Oh, I'm sorry. See how nervous I am. This technical stuff goes up and I get nervous. Let's do the third verse. What's wrong with that? So let's look at the third verse. Doesn't matter. Wo forst du? So we're here. Third line, yeah? Wo will ich dir darfen suchen? Let's go together. Wo will ich dir darfen suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Together. Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Right? From each... It is the second verse. Wo forst du dieses Leben? Where are you going, my dear love? Where are you traveling? Why are you leaving me? Where will I have to search for you? In which town? In welchen Weg? In which direction? Now, Lorin, you're there, right? Yes.
Yeah.
You have a musical instrument there with you somewhere.
I'm back.
You're back. Great. Now,
Hold on.
let us sing this one more time because we've just gone through the second verse, and then it would be nice to have you sing it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I need to find you again so I can mute you, or you can just sit quietly. Okay. Let's do it.
I'm very good at being quiet.
Oh yeah, I haven't noticed. Okay. Let's see about that. Second, wo forst du? Wo forst du, mein Leben? Wo forst du von mir weg? Wo will ich dir dürfen suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Wo will ich dir dürfen suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Did everyone manage to sing that? You managed, Duki? I'm muting everyone. I'm
Yeah.
muting everyone.
Hello, Elizabeth.
Good. You know what? I'm not going.
Yes, okay.
Shush. Yeah, it gets too messy and many people start talking at the same time. Don't give me any serious suggestions here now because I won't hear it. Now, yes, okay, let me find Lorin. Let me find our star. Does everyone know who he is? Lorin, who are you? I've unmuted you. Let's see.
Who are I?
Can you tell us a couple of words about this song and then sing it to us?
Oh, a couple of words about this song. I found it while I was making digital transfers of materials from the Ruth Rubin collection from the original reel-to-reel tapes to the digital domain. And I thought, oh, what a lovely song this is. Then I found out that that she hadn't herself published it, but that there was a version collected by Yud Lamed Khan that was published by YIVO a couple of times in the early and mid 20th century. And I just thought this was a great song. And I was later told that the informant on her recording was actually at one time, I think, the editor of the Morgen Freiheit, the Yiddish newspaper. So most of those dudes were multi-talented. So I just fell in love with this song. So it's just very happy that people are singing it now.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
Will you sing us the whole thing?
Sure. So you did the first three verses?
The first two, but we just want to hear you, right? And then we can sing our verses again separately. And
Okay.
it's key anyway.
Mayn Harts, weint in mir, als ich darf sich schäden mit mir. Meine Gedanken nahin, mit dir zu schäden, ist mir schwer. Meine Gedanken nahin, mit dir zu schäden, ist mir schwer. Wo schiffst du mein süßes Leben? Wo fährst du von mir weg? Wo will ich dich suchen? Sag mir, auf welchen Weg? Wo will ich dich suchen? Sag mir, auf welchen Weg?
Yeah. Oh, that's lovely.
What else can I do for you? Oh wait, I lost you. Talk to me.
Hello. Yes. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. So we lost the third verse, right? Did you just do two?
I only did two.
Oh,
Let me-
so we can sing the third verse together, right, people? Right?
Yeah.
Let's look at it now. Now, where were you? Were you in minor?
Yes.
Okay, right. Now, let's look at our, you know what, because we have non-Yiddish speakers here, I would say that let's do the two verses we've done together, yeah? How about that? Would that work? The two verses we've done together, we will sing it together. Lorin, I want to try something. I'm not going to mute you. I don't know
Okay.
what happens if you start singing at the same time as us, or I mean, me.
Okay.
I don't know what happens, but if you want to sing like a note or two just to hear how the sound would bounce for tomorrow, it would be interesting. At this point, you're very loud, but the sound is quite bashy.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm going to, huh? Yeah.
Okay, so I backed it up a little bit.
Yeah, it's a bit too much. Okay, I'm going to share our music with everyone, and we will look at the first verse and the second verse, which we did together, right? Everyone ready? I'll give you a little introduction and then give you a nod when to start singing with me. We're going up in tone, yeah? Mein Herz, weint in mir, als ich darf sich schämen mit dir. What? No, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. I had to mute you. Sorry, go from the beginning. Yeah. Mein Herz, weint in mir, als ich darf sich schämen ist mit dir. Meine Gedanken hin nachher, mit dir zu schämen ist mir schwer. Meine Gedanken hin nachher, mit dir zu schämen ist mir schwer. Going slightly lower for people with low voices. Let's go second verse. Wovorst du meins Leben? Wovorst du von mir weg? Wo war ich den Werfen suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Wo war ich den Werfen suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Lorin, prepare to take over and sing the third verse. I can't see Lorin where he is. Yeah, now I'm muting you.
Von ersten Dörferle, von ersten Städtele, das erste Briefele schreibt zu mir. Betten, Bett, ich mein Leben nicht vergessen, sollst in mir. Bett, ich mein Leben nicht vergessen, sollst in mir.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Polina.
Oh.
Don't go.
Lorin as well.
Don't go anywhere. I've muted you for a second. We still have 5 minutes. Let me do a couple of announcements. Lorin, don't go anywhere. It's relevant to us for tomorrow, apart from other things. Now, first of all, logistically, some of you do share these things, these sessions online and invite other people. When you share, if you share my post only, it just shares my picture and text underneath somewhere little. People don't see it. So write something. If you're enjoying the sessions, write something. I'm joining these sessions. I like them. Here is a link. So thank you very much, everyone who is doing that. Also, thank you very much, everyone who is paying us something. That's great. Another thing is our plans. So tomorrow we'll try to fix our sound a bit better. And Lorin and I hopefully will be, where are you? Let me actually unmute you, Lorin. So if you disagree with me, say something. So we will be bouncing tunes like this, and we will be, you know, sharing songs. Unfortunately, not singing together, but singing. You know, I will sing mostly Russian songs. Lorin, you'll sing mostly Yiddish songs, and we swap sometimes. Maybe I'll sing something in Yiddish, you'll sing something in Russian. See how it goes. So that's.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our plan for tomorrow. Well, I don't know how technically it will work. We'll do our best, but it'll be fun anyway. And a few people asked about Merlin, who cannot take part in tomorrow's concert. So he's okay. He just has his arm, you know, all bandaged and all that. And yeah, so he can't play. Otherwise, we are all fine. So we're going to sing our tune together one more time with text and la 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 in between. Okay, ready? Right, let's go. Mein Herz, weint in mir, als ich darf sich schämen jetzt mit dir. Eine Gedanken nachher, mit dir zu schäden, ist mir schwer. Meine Gedanken nachher, mit dir zu schäden, ist mir schwer. Wo forst du meines Leben? Wo forst du von mir weg? Wo will ich dir darf suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Wo will ich dich darf suchen? Sag mir, in welchen Weg? Ay, dai, 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 ay, dai, dai,
Vornerschen Dörfele, vornerschen Städtele, das ersten Überle schreibst du mir. Betten, bettet, ich mein süßes Leben, nicht vergessen, so viel Liebe. Bettet, ich mein süßes Leben, nicht vergessen, so viel Liebe. Dai, 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 dai,
Let's keep people applauding.
good. Very good.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Lorin, very much for joining us today. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Have a lovely evening, day, morning, wherever you are, and keep singing. See you tomorrow. We'll see you some other day. Bye, everyone.